PDF document using digital signature. So this signature, you can have it on your system and you can easily upload it, or you can write directly digitally on your system or using your trackpad and be able to write and sign the document, or you can write your name and change it to any style and work with it directly. So we're going to use a completely 100% free PDF document PDF editor known as the search.pdf. You can access it by coming to search.com, and once you're here you can as well go ahead and come into fill and sign, which is our interest, or you can come to all tools from here, which you can search for fill and sign if you want to go by this method. And you'll be able to see it in here, fill and sign. Now the best part is that you can download the application by just coming to desktop over here, and you can get the different versions of it in here depending on the type of operating system that you are working with. I have Mac Intel's chip and I'm going to use that, so I've downloaded mine, I've installed. So you can just come over to the launchpad and see search the PDF and you'll be able to see it in here. So the same way you can carry out the same operation on the online platform, or you can come over the app also on the desktop app and carry out the same feature, this fill and sign, and then you can choose the document. Let's say I have this simple sample letter that I've written in PDF and I can just import it, and in here I can come down here, assuming I want to just sign. So come down, I want to sign here. You have the option to come to this sign, so you click. This is the first signature I have, Dr. Rashid. I can create a new one if I'm interested. Now this new one, you can come in as type. You can type it directly with any color of your choice, or you can kind of write it. So you can see, you can just choose from the available ones, and you can see right now you have your signature. You can resize it if you want to make it something smaller or bigger depending, and you can see it well added. If you don't want this, you can as well go over and create a new one. Let's say from draw, you can select a pen and then you can go ahead and write directly if this is what you want. If you don't like it, you can always rewrite or retake, and then you can save this and you can paste it somewhere as your own signature. If you don't like this as well, you can go ahead and import a picture. If you have it in your system, you can as well just go ahead and take it. So I have this signature of mine and I can just import it, and you can see right now I have it without, choose an image version of it. So I want to go with something like this without a background, and you can see I have my signature just inside it. Alternatively, you can use the last option, which is to take a picture of the image or of the signature that you have somewhere. So I always like to use from the among these ones. Let's say I want to use this one, so I can just select and delete this, select and delete this as well. So I can just drag and drop this in here, and it has a transparent background. Once you are done with all of this, you can apply changes, and now your document can be saved somewhere. Let's say select this, and it's now processing. We can see everything is now done, and you can see the results down here, well signed with your digital signature. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.